What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name's David, and this is Homestead Overland, Virginia. Babe, what do we usually do videos about?
Off-grid living, homesteading, we're converting a barn into a barn dominium, and product reviews.
Product reviews. And then I do technical analysis for cryptocurrencies, right? So today we're going to talk about XRP. I actually had people ask me, hey, can you do this coin or that coin? And yes, I can. But we would like to ask for a donation when we do it. So basically, we're having a baby, right?
Yes.
And we just like to have a little baby fund. So if you want me to do a coin for you, you can email me. Our email is homesteadoverlandvirginia@gmail.com. And I'll give you like the trends. I'll give you parallel channels. Everything that I do here. The supports, the resistance, the Fibonacci retracements, the Fibonacci extensions. And then I'll just give you the MACD and the volume and put it all together and give you my opinion. But it's not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. You got to do your due diligence. And then my wife hates when I wear this because I look super silly. What kind of hat do you call this, babe? Do I look like one of those?
Like a wishy troll doll.
A wishy troll doll. But this is actually a neck gaiter, and it feels so good on my ears. That's why I wear it. Here's XRP on the daily. That means each candle represents a day. And we're going to go all the way back to November. And you can see we had this impulsive move after the election. We had a flag that we broke the top of, and this is the kind of stuff I do when I do my technical analysis. I show you and talk to you about what's happened. Look, it broke out of the top of the flag, and then it bounced, and it hit it, and it bounced off. That confirms the breakout. When you have a full body candle outside of the trend, the parallel channel, or the flag, and then it comes back and it retests right here and keeps on going. Then we had another impulsive move. And then we had what's called a pennant. I drew it right here, and then I had made a video saying that I was bearish on XRP, even though I am bullish, because I saw this candle wick down right here. And that's when I made that video. And then I watched it a couple days later, and look, boom, then it started coming down and hit the bottom of this channel, which was support, and they broke that. Right here is when Trump came out with the tariffs thing. So this is where we purchased around $2.37. And like I said, each candle represents a day. Here's where we are right now. But you can see we got back into the channel. Look what happened. We have this support right here, 4 of them in a row. And then it bounced into the channel. And everybody else is watching this. When they saw it come back into the channel, what happened with the price action? Boom. You can see how it skyrocketed. Now, we're inside this channel. It's still going down, but there's a dotted line inside the parallel channel. We are above it. That is bullish. We need to go up to here, this intersection where there's a resistance. Let me show you the resistance and all the supports, all these black numbers right here. Just take a screenshot of that. Ready? And then anything below the price action is support. Anything above it is resistance. The price action right now is there, 276. And if you look at the green, it says 276. So we're going to have some resistance right here at the 290, this black resistance, right where it meets the top of this parallel channel, the blue line. Right here is where we're going to have a lot of resistance. But let me show you what's really exciting, because I talked about this yesterday, the MACD. I double clicked on, look, if you double click, I have this window, a panel, volume, and then I have volume here. I'm sorry, then I have the price action here, then I have the MACD. What I was excited about is the MACD. Let me double click on this. I've been telling you guys, watch the other videos because I keep repeating it, but you guys can go see how to read all this. But really what we were looking for is this green histogram, and we finally got it. That is, I'm not telling you what to do. That is an indication that the price should be going up and that you should be buying. And when this blue line comes above, below the orange and goes above it right here, this indicates a buy. Let me double click on it and see what's going on with the price. And you can see the price is heading up. But here, what's today, Saturday? The volume is really low. It's the weekend. The weekends, you don't see a lot of volume because people that are traders, they're kind of used to the stock market, which is open Monday through Friday. And Saturday and Sunday, people just kind of take off and enjoy their profits for the week. So you don't see a lot of volume over the weekends. But Monday should be pretty promising. Let me show you something else on here. Let's do a Fibonacci retracement and see how accurate that is, predicting where we went up to the top. And Fibonacci retracement will tell you how far it comes down before it bounces again. Let's check that out. Ooh, what do I got? A little rooster tail right here? I sure do. Cock-a-doodle-doo! So let me show you how TradingView works. I see all this stuff I drew. I can get rid of that by going down to this trash can. I click on there and I can remove all 22 drawings and look like, oh my God, I lost everything. What am I going to do? You can go back up here and you can hit this arrow back and you can get everything back. Let me do this. We're going to go down here and get rid of the drawings for now. Remove the drawings. And then I want to see, because we watched this price actually go up to here. Then it topped out for an all-time high. And then it came down here. Like, people will sell right here when they see this double top. And they'll sell, and they're like, well, when should I buy back? You know, when is it going to stop going down, and when should I get back in? And that's when you do something called a Fibonacci retracement. It'll tell you where it will bounce and keep going. So let's go over to here. And this little symbol is for the Fibonacci's. I'll do retracement. And what you do is you do it from the beginning of the run, which is right here. I mean, I could do it on the whole thing. We're just getting microscopic and do it from here. From the beginning of this run, and then I draw it up to here, to the very top of that right there, and then I let it go. Now, if you look back, here's your Fibonacci retracement numbers. It starts at the bottom of the run to the top of the run. And what Fibonacci did it bounce off? Can anybody guess? Let's look at this right here. Boom. Look at that. It bounced off of, and if you can't read that, let me take this little, I'll put my cursor on the ball, the little white circle, and I'll pull it out like this so I can read the numbers. Let me just pull it all the way out to here. It bounced off the 786. It bounced off $2.30. A lot of people were watching that. They drew Fibonacci retracements. Everybody saw it. They double tapped it right there. And then you got a nice support. And then people were like, I think it might be retracing. And then what happened? People buy in. Then when people buy in, it's a self-fulfilling prophecy that the prices start going up, because then you'll see another big candle, another green candle, and other people see that and they start buying in. That's how I can get back all my information. I can go up here to that little arrow that takes you back. That takes me back there, there. I got all my stuff back. The cool thing about this too is when I close this out, if you sign up, you know, you just got to use your email. I don't pay for any of this, because you'll see an ad keeps popping up down here. It will save this when I close this out. I'll still have it right here. There's our technical analysis today for XRP. I showed you that the MACD is crossing. You can watch my videos. I explain how to read the MACD. I don't want to make these videos too long because it takes like forever to upload them. But I want to show you that we have the green histogram. That's good. We have the crossing of the MACD lines. That's good. We're back into our channel. We have a little bit of volume, but it is Saturday. And then I showed you how Fibonacci retracements work. Again, that tells you, like, when you top out, like a double top or something, you get a big red candle, and you'll see that on here. Let me show you the big red candle real quick. How we double topped. I'm going to show you why people sold right here. It's at the top of the channel for one. It's a double top right there. And then people see that top of the channel, a little double top, and then what happens? People sell. You see the big red candle. So that big red candle is people selling off. And then people were like, well, I sold out. When should I get back in? Fibonacci retracement. You draw from the bottom to the top, and then you look at those numbers, and you watch it as it comes down. It's going to hit each Fibonacci. If it breaks through one, it's going to go to the next one. If it breaks through the other one, it's going to go to the next one. But if it hits a Fibonacci and it kind of bounces off, that's when you start watching it. So guys, we appreciate if you could subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications. Give a little thumbs up. What are we trying to do, babe? Why do we want them to subscribe?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know? We want to monetize this channel.
Yeah.
We don't have any income out here, right? That's what I'm saying. If you want me to do technical analysis for a coin for you, or it could be a stock too, just email me. I'll tell you about that and how that all works. Yeah, we need you guys to help us out to monetize the channel, because we're trying to, like, you know, we're off grid. We don't have any income out here. We're getting a Jersey cow on Monday. We're going to start, like, doing raw milk. Start getting into the butter business, the cheese business. You got to do what you got to do. You got to have some side hustles. All right, guys? So thanks for watching. Stay tuned.
If you like my video, subscribe my videos. Subscribe it.
But I'm coming home. I'm coming. I'm coming home. I'm coming. Homestead Overland, Virginia.